How to type emojis, or with other word, these little icons. For example, I have them here in the title of a YouTube video. So I will enter, let's say there, place the cursor where you want to insert that emoji, let's say in front of the word bees. You have to press the Windows key and the dot on the keyboard, and then this keyboard appears with the emojis. Let's just show that one. So on screen keyboard OSK. Place the cursor there and press the Windows key and the dot. So Windows and dot, the keyboard appears. Okay, we have this keyboard. You can select an icon there and it will add it. Let's just delete it. Windows and dot. You can also search in different categories like so, and let's say this one has smiley faces and animals. You can scroll down for more icons. Scroll down here and you can search also. Here's the search icon in the lower left corner. I already used those emoticons, but just type in B and notice it is typing it up there in text, but it's also showing what it found, the B. And after clicking on this icon, those three letters, the BEE, will transform into this icon. So click on it and you have the B. Let's say go there. Press Windows and dot and whatever, a smiley face, and it's entered. Now let's get another program, for example Notepad. The same thing here, Windows and dot, and you can introduce those smileys, but notice they are black and white in Notepad. And if you want to go here to font, and no matter what font you choose, those will not change, only the size will change. So that's Notepad. And in Microsoft Word, the same thing, Windows and dot. Here the icons are color. Okay, and you can go to a web page. And if I want to insert, let's say that, it also has a Unicode code. For example, U+1F601. You have to type in that 1F601, so ignore the U and the plus. So type in here 1F601, 1F601, and after this you have to press the Alt and X key on the keyboard. And this code will be transformed into that emoticon. Alt X, and it was transformed. Go down, let's say to that crying one, 1F62D, 1F62D, Alt X, and it's written. By the way, it's not case sensitive, 1F633. Notice I typed a small f, and by pressing Alt X, it is transformed. And if I type capital F and go to the end of the code, Alt X, and it is shown. By the way, the cursor has to be at the end of that code, because if you go one to the left and press Alt X, you get a different character. Go to the left, Alt X, and then another one. Let's say on this page, emojipedia.org, you have smileys, people, animal. You can even search, let's say deer, press enter. It's here, click on it. You can either click on this button and copy it, and you can paste it there, but it's black and white, or paste it there and it's colored. But you can go here to technical information of that emoticon, and here at code point you also have that code 1F98C, so it's 1F98C, and after this press the Alt X and you will see in that deer. Alt X, and the deer is shown. You have to hold down the Windows key and then the dot, and then release the Windows key, and thus the keyboard appears. So if you just press first the Windows key and then the dot, then it will search for a dot inside the start menu. So hold down the Windows, press the dot, release the Windows. So that's how to type these emoticons and use their Unicode code in Word, Notepad, or even on YouTube.